In this video I will show you how can you custom your note on Facebook Messenger. You can see here if I custom someone, you can see here choose who can see your note. If I select here and if I choose someone from here and if I click here apply, and after that if I save it, when I will share my note, only those person will be able to see my note. So in this video I will show you how can you do that. So for doing that you have to simply come here on your Facebook Messenger. After come here on the Messenger you have to click here, or as we do for sharing our note, we have to click here and we have to write here something what we want to share, and then below here we can see here says audience. You have to simply click here says audience. After clicking here says audience, you can see here probably in your case the option is fades or fades and connection, but you have to click here simply custom, and then you will have to tap here choose who can see your note. After clicking on that you have to simply choose whom you want to show your note. So if you can find in the list, you can click here search and you can search here for one person whom you want to show. Even I am searching for this person, and then you can see here apply. After clicking here apply, if you save it and if you share it, only the selected person will be able to see your note in your Facebook Messenger. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.